Hi, I'm Janice Elaine, and this is my kitchen. Hi, I'm Janice Elaine, and this is my kitchen. Today, I'm gonna be testing the waters. I've done this video before, um, and I'm gonna share that with you in the video. But right now, I decided to just do a little sample. So these three over here are my favorite drinks. This is what I drink all the time when I'm on the go, at home, wherever. This, sometimes I get this, Will Smith's son, Jaden Smith. This is his brand water right here. So I'm gonna test that. I've done it before, but I'm gonna let you all see. And this is just some Kroger water, purified water. And this is some water I got from Dollar General, like a while ago. But I just wanted to test that too because a lot of people buy these two brands right here all the time. So we're gonna see how good the water is. I'm gonna start off with I'm gonna pour. Oh, you know what? This is some water, faucet water, and you're gonna be surprised at the faucet water. It's not that bad. You're gonna be surprised about that one. So let me get started. I'm gonna start off with this big one over here and pour it in a cup. Oops, almost poured too much in that in there. Some people feel like it don't even matter. It's water, water is water. But I like that alkaline in my water. It's good for me. I can tell the difference in my body and everything with the alkaline. So that's the kind of water that I like. You might like something different. So let's get started. We'll start with the faucet water. Pretty good, huh? That's faucet. Yellow, yellow. Well, actually, that's turning kind of green a little bit. Look at that. So, let me explain this to you. So what I done is I tested it off of this fluid. Um, this faucet water is close. I don't know if you can see this because the camera is kind of far away, but it's closer to, let me see, 7.0. This is like a 7.0 on here. So it's okay. It's not that great, but it's okay. This is a lime green. It's 6.0. That's 6.0. And this is yellow, which is like 5.0. That's not good. I would not want to be drinking that Kroger purified water. And a lot of people buy that because I used to. This is 7.0. So this is the Will Smith water. It's close to like the faucet water actually. Those around the 7.0. So this pretty good. Drinking this is just like drinking faucet water. So faucet water is pretty good. It's somewhere in the middle of all of this. This is like this is a 8.0. It says a 8.0. That's a deep, rich, like blue. All of them are. This one is too. It's a little deeper though. This a little deeper than that. It's like a 9.0. And so I guess it's true to what it says, a 9.5. I think so, most definitely. This is good, really good, because these are the only three that I drink. This one is close to this one. And this is a 9.0. So what it says on here, it's a 9.5. So they are really good. Let me see, what is this? This is a 9. This is 9.5 too. But these two are better. You see that? So these two are a little cheaper than this one. I got this at Kroger. I got this at Walmart. And I usually order up a case of these, but I find myself buying these two a lot when I'm at the grocery store. So that's my test for today. And if I was you, I would not be buying this or this. I wouldn't want to be drinking that. I mean, seriously, if faucet water tastes better than those, I would rather just get this out the faucet then, you know what I mean? And just put it in the refrigerator if you want it cold, or just put some ice on it. And this is pretty good. It's really cheap. I think they had this at Kroger. So those are my tests for today, and I hope you like my results and you know what to buy next. And I got another video with some other brands. I'm gonna put that on here and add it to the video too. Thank you for watching.